How to place an order on KFC app. For that, first of all, open up the application and then log in to your account. Once you're logged into your account, choose whether you would want to pick up or delivery. And if prompted, select your nearest KFC restaurant and then enter your delivery address. Now browse to the menu and find the food you would like to order. Tap on the menu and then choose any available option like size, drink, or extras, and then tap on Add to Cart. Once you have added everything, open up your cart and then review your order. Once that's done, you can tap on checkout, then confirm your pickup or delivery details. Choose your available payment method, review the total, and follow the on-screen instruction to place your order. Once your order is confirmed, you should be able to see the order details inside the app. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.